Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by measuring your planned Ethernet run and add 10% slack for safety. Measure the run and add 10% slack, for example 100 feet total. Inspect the crawl space and perimeter to choose entry and exit points. Locate access points and check for plumbing, gas, and electrical lines. Plan the route to avoid heat sources and water. Choose outdoor-rated Cat6 cable, 3/4-inch conduit, and a 1/2-inch drill bit. Gather gloves, safety glasses, a flashlight, and a partner for safety. Begin drilling a pilot hole at your marked entry point to avoid splintering. Drill a pilot hole, then use a 1/2-inch drill bit through rim joist or foundation. Deburr the hole and insert a short length of 3/4-inch conduit to protect the cable. Protect cable with 3/4-inch conduit where it passes through wood or concrete. Feed the cable slowly from outside toward the interior, pulling gently to avoid kinking. Feed cable slowly. Secure every 3 to 4 feet with zip ties or cable clips. Seal gaps with trim the cable ends and strip jackets carefully to expose pairs without nicking conductors. Terminate to Cat6 keystone jacks and punch down with a 110 tool following color code. Use a short patch cable and verify link lights on your switch or router. Test continuity and performance with a cable tester or network tester to confirm gigabit speeds. Label both ends and secure slack in a junction box or cable tray to prevent strain. Finally, document the route and keep all tools and spare parts for future maintenance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.